As a buyer under bond for deed, there are many advantages for you to consider. One clear advantage is that you can enhance your credit in the eyes of mortgage companies when it comes time for you to go to refinance your bond for deed and take title to your property. Paying on time on a bond for deed contract in the eyes of mortgage underwriters is exactly the same as paying on time on a mortgage loan. Also, as a bond for deed buyer, you get many of the benefits of home ownership. Among those included are equity appreciation in your property. You get this equity appreciation every time you make a timely monthly payment and reduce the principal balance on your contract. You also get the benefit of any market value appreciation in your property. For example, if you were to purchase a property under bond for deed for $100,000 and the property value increased to $150,000, that increase in value is yours, and you'd realize it at the time you took title to your property when you refinanced your bond for deed. Any interest you pay can be deducted on your income taxes, just like home mortgage interest, provided you use the property as your primary residence. Also, when you go to refinance and take title to the property, that new loan is treated as a refinance loan as opposed to a new purchase loan by the mortgage underwriters. And you may well be able to take cash out at the refinancing when you take title to your property if you've got enough equity in the home. As a bond for deed purchaser, you're protected by having your contract recorded in the public record as a sale under bond for deed contract. Louisiana bond for deed laws also protect you against judgments against the seller, and if the seller was to declare bankruptcy after the bond for deed contract, the bankruptcy courts protect you as well. Finally, bond for deed contract is a heritable contract in Louisiana, and what this means is if you were to pass away, your interest in the property in the bond for deed contract could be left to your heirs. Many of these benefits, however, are not afforded to you under a lease purchase or a rent-to-own agreement. We urge you to fully investigate a bond for deed alternative if you're thinking about a lease purchase. It's clearly in your best interest to do so. As a bond for deed escrow agent, we will work with our customers to structure a purchase or a sale under bond for deed. We'll prepare the actual bond for deed documents. We'll set the closing up anywhere in Louisiana that's convenient for the buyer or the seller. We also ensure proper recordation of the property and the bond for deed in the public record to protect all interests, and we service the contract in accordance with state laws as we go forward after the closing. If you have any further questions or would like to learn more about bond for deed, please call us or email us for more information.